running easily with the wind whistling past. Suddenly, it was a conductor's warning whistle. Hurrah! 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 Laughed the cars. We've broken away! We've broken away! Chase him! Bump him! Throw him off the rails! They yelled. Hurry, Duck! Hurry! Said the driver. They raced to the station. The cars were catching up. As fast as we could. Then their patches gradually. The driver was gaining control. Another clear mile and we'll do it. Oh, glory! Look at that! James was just pulling out on their line from the station ahead. Any minute, there could be a crash. It's up to you now, Duck, cried the driver. Duck put every ounce of weight and steam against the cars. It's too late, Duck groaned. He veered into a siding where a barber had set up shop. He was shaving the customer.